What can one expect on gold prices going forward? With me, I have Sugandha Sachdeva, Executive Director and Chief Strategist at Acme Investment Advisors, joining right in. Welcome, Sugandha, and so glad to have you on India Today with us. First up, gold prices really hit 3-month low on the MCX after US Fed decision last night. Do share with us, first of all, how do the gold prices really get impacted with the US Fed's move on the rates, and what does the current pause really mean for the prices going forward?
Yeah, hi, good evening, Sakshi. It's a pleasure to be a part of your show. In terms of the gold prices, we have seen that prices have inched lower after the Fed's decision to pause interest rates after almost 10 consecutive rate hikes. But yes, it's a hawkish stance which the Fed has maintained, even though the market was expecting that Fed would actually pause its year-long tightening spree. But then Fed has already hinted that they are likely to hike interest rates 2 more times this year. So now they're expecting the terminal rate to be around 5.6% this year, which is currently around 5.1%. So this is certainly negative for gold prices because rise in interest rates increases the opportunity cost of holding gold because gold is a non-interest yielding asset. So that is the reason we have seen some pressure coming in on gold prices. Apart from that, we have also seen that the Indian rupee has also been strengthening. So that has actually accentuated the pressure that we have seen on domestic gold prices. In terms of other key levels also, gold prices have reached the crucial support of $19.35 per ounce mark, which was acting as a very strong support area for a long time now. Since prices have pierced that level, the trajectory has been slightly lower only, but then the broader outlook I still feel is very positive because pause is certainly there after 10 consecutive rate hikes. So that is likely to give some breather to gold prices going forward. And I think the shifting expectations regarding the rate hike going forward also will continue to dictate the direction of gold prices.
Right. So, Sugandha, you did say that, the softening of prices could perhaps continue. Gold has already rallied quite sharply this year. It has also reached all-time high levels in India as well. What is your outlook on the gold prices for the rest of the calendar year? Are they likely to remain elevated at the current levels or cool off substantially, both internationally and domestically?
I think Sakshi, prices are in an uptrend, and I think this uptrend is likely to persist at least for this year and next year as well, probably. But this year looks very promising, and gold is likely to remain the favored asset this year. So we have a lot of concerns about a global economic slowdown, which is likely to be engineered by these high interest rates. And we are also in a high inflationary environment. So that is another trigger which is likely to support gold prices. Apart from that, after 9 consecutive months of outflows from gold ETFs, for last 3 months, we have seen inflows coming back into gold ETFs globally, and that has been majorly led by American funds. Another major reason which has been supporting gold prices is continued buying spree by central banks. In fact, last year, central banks bought a record 1,130 tons of gold. And this year also, this trend is continuing. In the first quarter of this year, we've seen gold purchases of almost 228 tons.
All right. Thanks a lot, Sugandha, for giving us all those insights on what to expect as far as gold prices and the outlook on gold is concerned going forward, and whether these dips could be an opportunity for investors to buy into the yellow metal.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.